สวัสดีค่ะ everyone! Monday, new recipe! Today I will prepare a traditional Thai dish called Khao Kluk Kapi. It is fried rice with shrimp paste that we will serve with many different side dishes. There is a lot of steps, so bear with me. Just before I start, I would like to ask you a favor. The channel will celebrate its first birthday soon. That would be an awesome birthday gift to hit 1000 subscribers for that occasion. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, are you ready? Let's go! Yardlong bean, cucumber, mango, shrimp paste, cooking oil, water, black soy sauce, Chinese sausage, garlic, dry shrimp, lamb, shallot, bird's eye chili, pork belly, steamed rice, egg, salted egg, and palm sugar. There is no order to do things. You can mix the steps. Can you guess what will be my first step? Veggies! Start by thinly sliced yard-long bean. Peel cucumber skin. And then slice it. Now peel the mango. And thinly cut. We will use half of garlic for the rice and the other half for pork belly. Also for the shallot, we will use half for pork belly and another half is for side dish. It's really strong. Thinly cut chili. Do you remember? This is the same chili as the one we used last week for Pad Khee Mao recipe. Peel salted egg, but if you cannot find it, you can use boiled egg instead. Cut it in 4 parts. And lamb. Last step before heading to the stove, cut Chinese sausage and pork belly. For Chinese sausage, diagonally cut it. Cut pork into bite size. For Thai omelet, I will mix egg with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Then I will put in hot oil. now thinly cut it. Now fry Chinese sausage. Pay extra attention for Chinese sausage because it's very easily to burn. Fry dry shrimp to make them crispy. Add shallot and garlic into hot oil. Add 3 tablespoons of palm sugar and a cup of water. Stir until it melts. Add pork belly. Then add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of black soy sauce. Let it cook until pork is cooked and the sauce is thickened. Final step, fry rice with shrimp paste. For the rice, I steamed it yesterday already, and if you want to know the reason, check my Khao Pad recipe. Fry rice with shrimp paste. Add garlic into hot oil. Wait until it changes color. Then add shrimp paste. And rice. Mix it well. And voila! Bon appetit! I know it seems to be a lot of steps, but trust me, it's worth it. With all the side dishes, you have full of flavor. Spicy, sweet, salty, sour, all in one dish. As always, please consider subscribing if you enjoyed the video. And ring the bell to receive a notification when I add a new video. You can also leave me a comment. I read them all. Share and chop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ Bye bye. There is no order to do things. You can mix it. And final step, fried rice with As always, please consider subscribing if you like the video. No.